Exterior Remodeling out here in Broad Ripple, Indiana. Just hopping on here to show what bad decking looks like. I've showed some videos of this house before. As you can see up top, you have plank decking, and it's too far spaced out, so we are doing a full redeck on this home. There's a lot of water intrusion and water damage on this house, so we are trying to rip it all off and make it right for this homeowner. So today we're out here in Broad Ripple doing a redeck and replacing some fascia, along with a new roofing system on this Broad Ripple home. Again, very important to have the correct entire roofing system and to ensure that you have proper decking when getting a new roof replaced, or else you're going to void the manufacturer warranty. Thanks for tuning in again. Again, Craftsman Exterior Remodeling. Please give us a call for your exterior needs. Thank you.